Hi guys. You see the camera? Now you don't. That's what the OnePlus has introduced. Before that, please make sure that subscribe your channel. The OnePlus Concept One will not become available after all, according to Ben Schoon, who says he confirmed it with OnePlus PR. Phone The Arena misinterpreted Pete Lau's words, or at least it looks that way in the provided article. Pete Lau was talking about the technology, not the phone. So, the company's disappearing tech that was included in the OnePlus Concept One will be coming, but not the phone itself. That we already knew, as it was confirmed earlier. The OnePlus Concept One may go on sale sooner than you think. During that interview, Mr. Lau was asked about the OnePlus Concept One availability. He was asked to provide a more specific timeline, if possible. Pete Lau said that there is no specific timeline just yet, but that it should not take tremendously long. This obviously suggests that the device will go on sale. Do note that the phone may be slightly changed once it hits the market, though. It may include different specifications. For one,